In this video, I'll walk you through the simple review of Figma AI. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. Figma AI, a promising design partner. Figma AI is emerging as a powerful tool within the Figma ecosystem, aiming to streamline and enhance the design process. Its core strength lies in its ability to automate repetitive tasks, allowing designers to focus on higher level creative work. By integrating AI directly into the Figma platform, it fosters a seamless workflow, minimizing the need to switch between applications. Here are some core strengths of Figma AI. Enhanced design workflow. Figma AI aims to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up designers for more creative work. It can assist in generating design variations, suggesting layouts, and creating content. Accessibility and integration. Being integrated directly into Figma's existing platform is a major advantage. It streamlines workflows and reduces the need for external tools. This integration allows for seamless experience. Content generation. The ability to generate text and images within Figma is a significant time saver. This functionality can be particularly useful for creating mockups and prototypes. Design variations. The ability to have AI generate variations of design allows for very rapid prototyping. Overall impression. By automating tedious activities and enabling designers to experiment with new creative possibilities, Figma AI has the potential to completely transform the design process. The tool is a useful resource for designers of all skill levels because of its smooth integration, content creation capabilities, and design variety features, even though there is still room for growth.